फुटबॉल अकादमीच्या 2018 बॅचाचो शेनवारा कन्वोकेशन सुवाळो जालो. या सुवाळ्याक उपसभापती मायकल लोबो, पद्मश्री बायचुंग बुटिया हजर आशिल्ले. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगेश.
Come out like after 4 years, our youth have come out today, and they will be joining some other clubs, or they will be with Seda, or they will even represent India. That depends how good they are. But let us work together, and I feel that if we work together with we have to see like how many years it will take. We have to take the right talent. The boys are talented, but how we are going to make use of this? How we are going to achieve the goal? What is in the minds of these players or the people of India? They want to see them in the World Cup. They want to see that one day they will defeat a country like Germany, a country like Brazil, a country like today they are small countries which are there also are playing so well. But today in the World Cup really, I think the cricket and football is within us. We can't do without it. And I think all the big players who are here and all over India, they need to have a sitting, a big conference and discuss on this main issue. The required infrastructure, whatever help government can give, whatever help the big companies like Vedanta and all different other companies can give to bring in the required infrastructure for this beautiful game.
Definitely yes, because I was supporting Argentina because of Messi.
Yeah.
But it was sad to see the way they played and they lost.
Do you believe Messi needs the World Cup to be called genuinely the greatest player of all time? Do you believe Messi needs the World Cup to be called the greatest of all time?
I think it is judged on that. You need to win a World Cup to really be, to get that tag of it. So I think so far, I think the players that have gone on to win the World Cup has got that, because we've had a lot of great players, George Best, Ryan Giggs, who's not played as well. Yeah. So it's sad that we don't win this.